Here I want to share with you my favorite way of finishing an armhole that gives you a beautiful professional result. This technique is called the Burrito Method, and it's really quick and easy to do. You can do this with a serger or a regular sewing machine. We're going to start with opening up one side of our top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Roll the opposite shoulder to the middle of the open shoulder. The thicker the fabric is, the more important this rolling step is. Take your armhole corners and fold over so that our rolled armhole is inside our little burrito. Pin around the entire armhole edge, matching the shoulder seam. And sew using a 4-thread serger or a narrow zigzag stitch. Press the sewed seam as it is. And cool it down to get rid of the waviness that can happen after sewing. Turn the armhole over. And then press it and cool it down. Repeat for the other armhole. We're going to open up one side of our top with the right side of the fabric facing up, rolling the opposite shoulder into the middle of that opened one, and take the armhole corners and fold right over so that our rolled armhole is inside this burrito. Pin around the entire armhole edge, matching the shoulder seam, and sew. And again, press the seam to reinforce our shape and cool it down to get rid of the waviness. Turn that armhole over, and press and cool it down. And here we have our beautifully made armhole using the Burrito Method. I used this method for the crop top pattern from my last video. The pattern is linked in the description. Happy sewing!